Hey, today I'm gonna be unboxing the new camera that I bought yesterday. So this is the DJI Osmo Action 5, the adventure combo. It comes with the selfie stick or the tripod, two extra batteries, and a charging case. So yeah, let's open this one. Okay, so bukas, meron siyang dalawang boxes. This one and this one. And dito yung manupad niya. So let's first open this one. This is the Osmo Action 5 Pro. So open the box. This is the case. And then ito yung actual na camera. The second box is itong mga like, I don't know what they call it. Anyways, cable, the charging case, and some docks. Yeah. Okay, let's start opening this tripod. Ganito siya. And rubber. Actually, na-extend tong ano niya. Yeah. Yeah. And then, yeah. The next one is itong case. Meron siyang ganito. Ito yung pang-lock sa tripod. I don't know what they call this. This one. Screw. I don't know. And ito. Ito dinidikit ito sa helmet kung gagamitin mo siya sa bike or pagmamotor. And then they also gave me this. These are, I don't know. And may ganito ito sa tripod. Ganyan. And then dito yung camera. Also, meron din additional ulit na ganito. Same lang. Dalawa. Ganyan. Okay. Next is yung case. Ito yung case niya. It's nice. So, hindi ako marunong mag-ano. And then, batteries. Adventure combo yung kinuha ko kasi may extra batteries in my charging case. So, tatlo yung batteries. And then, kable, pang charge. Pwede siya direct charge sa mismong camera and then pwede rin siya gamitin sa charging case. Now, for the camera itself, Oh my god, this is so cute. Ang liit niya lang. Ang gaan. Ang ingay ng mga pusa namin anyways. So, yeah. And that's it. Yun lang naman. So, I will try to install this one sa phone kasi magda-download ka ng app para ma-transfer mo yung files and all of that stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye.